Moving on, Shiv Sena has launched a blistering attack on the Modi government. Sena MP Sanjay Raut, in a party mouthpiece Samna there, claimed that Indian seats can break away like it happened in Russia as there is no revenue. Raut slammed the central government for sidelining the opposition-ruled states in all-out attack there on the Prime Minister Modi. Shiv Sena claimed as Prime Minister Modi's responsibility is to bring states together. However, BJP is killing federal systems by destabilizing non-BJP ruled states. Now, Sena also claimed that India's democracy is quite in danger. Raut took a jibe at Modi government, saying that sentimental issues like Ram Mandir are brought up, but government is not bothered about the sentiments of the farmers. He further slammed the centre over the economic crisis in the country. He accused the BJP-led government of having money to fight for elections, but not for healthcare infrastructure.
जिन शहीदों ने अपने प्राणों को त्याग करके इस देश को आज़ादी दिलाई, इस देश को एक रखा, उस देश को तोड़ने की बात शिवसेना करती है। हम सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं राहुल गांधी से, सोनिया गांधी से, शरद पवार जी से, क्या शिवसेना की इस देश को तोड़ने की बात से वे सहमत हैं?
Well, this is not the first time that editorial has been written against Prime Minister Modi. But every time they choose to give these kind of unsubstantiated critiques, I would want to question, where is the proactiveness of this so-called loudmouths who only believe in writing editorials and have not even read the writing on the wall, whether it's a public mandate or a referendum of people selecting Prime Minister Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party, whether it is a Bihar election or whether it is a corporation election or whether it is a panchayat election. Isn't that the mandate of the public, or is it only about saying that, oh, you are being unjust and unfair to certain states for your own political one-upmanship, when every state has been given provision? The interaction between the centre and the states is not based on which government is in which state, but based on the development plan that Prime Minister Modi has for an Atmanirbhar India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.